Nice, man.
Yep.
How you feeling? How you feeling? New season, you ready to play?
I look like Timber, man. No,
I feel like Kovacic, you know what I'm saying?
okay, everyone, people. Tony here with Benji, and this is Football Fan TV. We are actually looking nice. I think this is the new home kit for Arsenal. The Adidas one looks good, I think. So in this episode, we're going to be reviewing some of the kits for this season. Shouts out to one like Peter, Epic Uganda. They are the ones who have hooked up with the jerseys today. We're going to share the shop number in the description. I think the link how you can get them, and you can get yourself a jersey. They are very affordable. You can get them from Epic UG.
Shout out to Extras Media. These guys are holding another very massive studio over here, and hit them up for all your media ads and photography needs. They are quite affordable, and their work is just up to it. So yeah, get it started, bro.
So we'll be rating these jerseys. I think this one is. I like the last season home kit for Arsenal.
Yeah.
I kind of I think I like the gold in here. I think the invincible, and this is why we have this gold in here.
Yeah.
This home kit is always nice, but I always look out for the third kits. So they're the ones I normally love most.
Yeah.
In all the kits, but the Man City one,
Bro.
just doesn't look nice. I think. Doesn't look nice because I think I like the red and white for the previous season. It looks much better. So I think out of 10, I don't know how much I'm going to rate that City jersey. You know what you're going to rate for yours. So you see mine.
I'll start with yours, bro. I love the lightning. Things like the lightning quick players that you guys have lately. I don't like the gold. I don't know what's doing there.
The gold is the invincible. I told you.
That's history. I move on. Minute Rwanda, nice touch, making it gold.
Yeah.
Making this gold as well. But I don't like the gold. That's the only reason I'm giving you an 8.
Out of 10, the America is after no kit.
8 out of 10. I feel like this was unnecessary. Too much going on, yeah? This is enough.
Okay, how would you make the City home kit?
I mean, this is fresh. Look at it. It feels like special for treble win. Yeah. This gives us a bit of
They don't go about the jersey. When they decided it, that.
There's a special jersey that's coming out later that will have a future for here.
Okay.
Which will be on sale. For everyone, yeah. And buy tonight, but of course it'll be more expensive than what we have right here. But I feel like the pillars give us some nice depth and some texture to the jersey. Yeah. The armors of the collars are definitely better than last season collars.
One thing I did say about this one, the home kit we had last season had a collar. This one doesn't have a collar.
Very lousy. The collar was very lousy.
I think the collar was good, apart from
you don't agree on anything.
Yeah, we're not agreeing. But anyway, out of 10, how do you rate the Man City jersey?
I think this is definitely a 9 out of 10.
9, yeah? I'll give it
The collar.
Relax. I wasn't giving my rating, so I'll give that Man City kit 7.
The collar is much better than last season's jersey. Yeah. And I feel like, man, look at me right now. Look at me, Ali.
Anyway, fair enough. I'll give it 7 out of 10. Mine, I'll give it also 7 out of 10. It's not all the best. I think I'll prefer the last season kit because I like maybe something with a collar, and it had.
I think it was
just much
too
better.
corporate.
No, not being corporate, but I like it. Like I told you, I always go for the third kit. You see the black one?
Yeah.
I always go. I prefer the third kit.
So we're going to have the reflector.
No, that's the second. I think next week. No, that's the second one. But I'll go for the third one. That green and black. That's what I'll go for, I think.
Yeah, so let's move on to my pick of the bunch. My favorite jersey so far, which is unfortunately for our noisy neighbor,
Mason Mount.
Yeah. I came here to see Mason Mount have his name, number 7.
Yeah.
So hard to sink in. But yeah, this jersey is really, really cool. Money jersey.
Still Adidas. I think it's much better. Out of all the seasons Manchester United have been having out those jerseys,
yeah,
this stands out for me. And to be honest, I don't like Man U, but I might end up wearing this jersey this season. Just because it looks good. And I just imagine Mason Mount looking good in it. Out of 10, I'm giving it 9. I think this is the best kit Adidas has made for me.
Yeah.
For this coming season, 2023-2024. So to me, it is a 9 out of 10.
I love what the one with the black here and the black on the collar.
Yeah.
I feel like they should have chosen the better sponsor for TeamViewer. Here's the aesthetic on the jersey.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'll put it a 10 out of 10. my favorite jerseys. Yeah.
So this one I have Liverpool's away kit for next season. I don't know why people have been rating it so highly. I don't know whether one player put it on and they look nice or the unveiling was so nice, but
That's definitely budget.
mixed feelings. Yes, this is the away kit for Liverpool that they unveiled, and I believe
I think that player record is going to continue because this jersey doesn't even look like a winner's jersey. I mean, how do you put this on and go on the pitch feeling confident? Like,
so last season they had plain white.
Yeah.
That was so. This is what the
that was a bit like Madrid.
Madrid, yeah. So they were having that winning mentality, but still they didn't, win so much in it. Now this one here has the Manu jersey for last season.
Yeah.
Looking like a field, not a pitch. So they've added in the green touch to this Liverpool kit, their away kit.
Yeah.
So to you, out of 10, what did you give it?
4 out of 10.
Give it 4 out of 10.
Yeah.
So
That's really nice. Not today.
4 out of 10 for the Liverpool away kit. To me, average. Standard 5. I'll give it a standard 5
Okay.
for this one. So the next team,
Disaster of Liverpool. To me, this is again one of the best jerseys that have come out so far.
Yeah.
They didn't overcomplicate it. I love the white collar, very classy, very fresh. It's a bit of vintage and also chic. I can wear this to a bar and I'll look cool.
Yeah.
I can wear it on the pitch and I'll still look like I'm here to win.
Yeah.
The red is still as dangerous as ever. And then in very special mention here to the
incidents, yeah,
and the 97. For me, this is a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Dominic Soboslai actually looks good in this jersey. The name, I don't know if you've gotten it right now.
I can just say not that.
The unveiled him in his jersey and the number 8 number. If you turn and the way the fonts Liverpool are using for the names behind actually look so good. So with some coloring and the fonts are so good. So this jersey is actually also one of the best for me. So out of 10, I'll give it an 8 out of 10, but not the not the away one.
Yeah.
So we have Barcelona. Let them go at it. Look at Barcelona from last season's kit. I really have no idea, but yeah, this is Barcelona 2023, 2024 season. So
let me show you how broke Barcelona is. This here used to be on the front of that jersey.
yeah,
Now, because they made the money,
Yeah.
they're like, we shall still put you in the jersey. So they did what championship teams usually do. Championship, you need as much money as you can. So
even in Germany, normally there are a lot of things they put on the kits.
yeah, but now this is a new law for Barcelona. I mean, this is as large as Spotify.
Doesn't UNICEF have more money than Spotify?
Spotify has unlimited money because it's yours. But the jersey, for me, the texture, the design, it lacks the ambition that the club is trying to say they have right now. So for me, it's a 5.
5 out of standard 5. Because me, I feel they didn't add a lot of things. And Nike should, I don't know whether they should change and get
It's so boring.
a little bit of Adidas. This is how their colors have been for
But look here.
probably the last.
What's that?
Oh, so this Barcelona kit standard 5 for me as well on this one. And where else do we go?
Let's go to Madrid.
So, Hala Madrid. Vamos. So, guys, this is Madrid. Wow. This is Adidas. Like I said, their designs or concept are not really far from the clubs. They do the kit.
Now this is where I call gold. This is not gold. This team deserves some gold. You know why?
So we wanted this goal to be here, and then Arsenal was supposed to have the yellow.
I think we should have this. You guys should have left this white and go back to the O2.
You know
The
the
O2 where the O2 guy. I brought my dad that jersey last season to remind him that that's the last time. Be great.
Do you know Man City broke all the records in England? The treble,
Yeah.
they broke it, but then they failed to break the unbeaten.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Yeah, that's why we have.
Go for it.
You cannot have a
Let's talk about
beaten.
Madrid.
This Madrid kit. Wow.
I looked at this jersey and the first thing that came to my mind was, yes, Man City has done amazing things, but step aside, yeah, we are 14 times Champions League winners, the golden club of Europe, no doubt.
Yeah.
The crown, it feels like it shines even more every season, yeah, and it just reminded us who they are. Man. Look at this is a statement jersey, the colors, the navy blue, the gold, massive, Hala Madrid, finally printed on the jersey, yo.
Jude Bellingham in this jersey.
If you see it in long sleeve, it's still amazing. You can wear it to office and no one is going to talk for you. So, man.
Imagine Madrid pull Mbappe before the transfer.
So, gonna happen, but
Mbappe wears this.
treble, World Cup. we'll never play World Cup as a club. That's how good they will be. So out of 10, you got 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. But now look at this.
Is it the first jersey you're giving 10 out of 10?
No, it's the second after the name.
On the Man City. Man U,
yeah.
and give Man U 10 and give Man U 9. So, wow.
But it is just, yeah, it's exceptional.
I don't want to be mean, but yes, 9 out of 10. Yeah. It's like, it's very good, but it's not so perfect. Like, I think I'm a perfectionist. Maybe I want something very different. Probably, we'll see it somewhere, but not Spurs.
The one broken off. I don't know what it looks like out there.
Let you can hold the other side, but okay,
Let's be nice. Let's be nice.
let's be nice to Spurs.
So this just sums up what's happening at Spurs.
No trophies, no ambition.
No ambition, no vision.
Yeah,
Last season, that says it all, yeah?
but there are people like this Spurs kids every season, by the way.
But
I don't know if there are people like them.
aesthetic is good. I mean, the sponsor, that shirt sponsor is chill. Yeah, yeah. Very easy to put on the jersey. Yeah, Nike. It looks really good in front. So it's a white jersey.
What they have added, all removed. There's the yellow on the neck, and I think on the hands here, on the shoulders. But now they have the blue, and then the yellow is no longer here. Maybe they've added this lighting or something like that in the middle.
It's just boring. The quiz that I went for with my friend, and we're doing jerseys. Yeah.
Yeah.
They remove the logos and the sponsor and everything.
Yeah.
They're supposed to guess which team it is. You know how they bought for Spurs?
Yeah.
The shitty emoji. And it's like I did that Spurs. So for me, you can see the pictures. Hurricane, the photo shoot didn't look happy.
If
Like the
it's going to stay,
field.
if it's going to stay though.
Richarlison looked excited, like he's just been signed. Yet he had 0 goals last season. 1 goal by mistake. One.
Yeah.
It was a mistake as well.
1 goal.
So for me, this is a miserable 3.
3 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'll be nice to Spurs. I'll give them a standard 5. Standard 5.
And
Yes, I don't like them, but I'll go with standard 5 for them. So, guys, before we go to Bayern Munich, this podcast is sponsored by Epic UG. They're the ones who hooked us up with these jerseys today that you're seeing, and the ones we're wearing. Shout out to man like Peter. Like I said earlier on, in the description, you're going to get to know how you can reach out to Epic UG. And as well, the podcast or this episode is sponsored by Extras Hops Media. Like we said, best photography, best videography. We also do run ads. And also, if you want to do podcast, you can as well hit them up. You can come to Nyumba Kubwa in Kampala, or you can check in the description. As I also said earlier on, you'll be able to reach out to Extras. So, Bayern Munich.
well, Adidas has kept to the theme on the three stripes. I don't see this on the pitch. I see this like when I'm chilling with my friends or something. I don't see it as a pitch worthy jersey. Team Mobile has been there forever. They all know that. And then the players then will be here. Quickly, I'll give it a 6.
6, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll give this one a 6 as well. I agree with you. It's nothing so but that has changed from the pure white they had. They just had to bring the white to the home kit and just made the red, maybe put the red somehow. Yeah. Maybe the away kit will be a better one. But this one, I agree with you. 6. Before we do the final kits, make sure you subscribe to the channel if it's your first time. Turn on the notifications, share this podcast, or share the channel with a friend. Leave a comment about how you feel about these jerseys. We've given you our feelings, our ratings. How would you rate the jerseys that we've been unveiling for you here for this coming season? What do you think about the jerseys? What do you think about the Man U one? So far, it is our best. You can leave comment, and then we read it out and also get to know how you feel about the jerseys. So you are looking for my 10 out of 10. This one is 10 out of 10 minus nothing. So this is my 10 out of 10 jersey. Ajax this season.
My God.
And this is just their away, not the home kit. You can imagine. So Ajax gets my 10 out of 10. It's my best hits for the upcoming season, and this is one I'm going to be having. Definitely, I'm going to buy this one. Probably on one of the pods you'll see me wear one. Soon I'm going to get one because this is my 10 out of 10. I don't know what you think about this jersey, but yeah, still Adidas on it, and wow.
Adidas went all out. For me, this is an 11. There's a way
10 out of 10 for you.
Yeah, 11 out of 10 for me. The sponsor just kind of makes sense for Ajax, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know what they do, but it kind of makes sense for the jersey. The pattern that's here, the colors that they chose.
Yeah.
It's just a beautiful jersey all around.
You look at what's underneath, even after the sponsor and the real colors that are there, those colors underneath, they really came out so well.
Yeah.
And also, if you look at, wow,
And there's the
of course, Adidas keeps those and then the Triple X. So you remember that Three Lion, really too bad that they had. That was one of my favorite Ajax kits that season. Now, this one is going to be my favorite. This one takes off 10 out of 10 for me.
So this is our pick of the bunch. Favorite jersey so far, right?
Yeah. And Manu comes next, maybe the Liverpool
Madrid then Manu.
For me, yeah, that's for you. So
Manu.
basically, yes. We don't know how you feel about these jerseys. Like we said earlier on, you can comment
Yeah,
and tell us
the comments.
how you rate those jerseys. And yeah,
I'm excited to see if the players you buy to wear these turn up for you.
Mount number 1.
So for you forget my
Properly.
Timber, the Kremlin, for me,
Much. He's not Pakistan. He's not super. You know.
we're really emphasized that way,
Yeah.
but let's wait for the season. Yeah, Kovac is going to
Yeah, Kovacic actually looks good in that.
he looks good on the kit and he's going to look good on the pitch.
Yes.
That I can bet. Yeah.
Okay.
When you look at our potential formation next season, we'll be having 4 attacking midfield, 2 in the base.
Looks like we're going to have that as I call it. Have Kai Havertz. I don't know. We have Havertz. We have Odegaard. We have Vieira. The Portuguese Vieira, not the French ones. Fabio. Yeah. We may have that. It looks like teamwork, so I think I don't know what's going to be. It does. I don't know. But it's also good for the league. Anyways, that's all we had for you for the kids. Shout out once again to EpicUG for hooking up with the jerseys that sponsored the show today.
Shout out to Plus Media for hosting us today, the amazing studio, and thank you for tuning in, guys.
No ending with you as usual, but see you when we see us.